If you suffered from your body not moving like it used to, you might need a tune-up. Neurogen works by actually helping your body to rebuild damaged nerves and improve their function. The Neurogen Nerve Support Supplement was developed right here in Arizona by a peripheral nerve surgeon that's been shown to improve memory, alertness, and overall mental cognition for some patients. Here to talk about the Fitzmaurice Hand Institute is CEO and founder, Dr. Michael Fitzmaurice. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So can you tell me a little bit about Neurogen?
Well, yeah, it was developed, so as a nerve surgeon, you would take care of nerve injuries. Let's say carpal tunnel, there's pressure on a nerve. Let's say you have a cut nerve, you repair it. So there's this delay in improvement. You can perform the surgery, but then there's weeks to months of a delay. So I was doing research over several years, and there's ingredients that have been proven to stimulate an improvement in nerve function. And so I started incorporating all these ingredients into a formula. And originally, it was designed just to help patients with nerve problems. But subsequently, we've seen an improvement in a lot of other areas, not just nerve pathology.
And so why did you develop?
Well, it was really to speed up the healing process. And again, so if we can minimize this recovery period of days or weeks to months, and if we can improve it to just days, the patients have a much stronger recovery process. But then also we saw that it actually can be used for patients who didn't need surgery. Maybe their symptoms were mild enough. Well, in those cases, the ingredients themselves were good enough to show an improvement, so to avoid surgery.
And what makes Neurogen different from other nerve supplements?
The ingredients and the dose they're at. So the ingredients, there's about 12 ingredients in there, and they've been studied extensively. There's over 400 articles showing the benefits. Most companies use a bait and switch tactic. They see that, let's say, there's one particular ingredient, maybe B12. Well, that could be effective. Well, we're going to put this in our supplement, but we're not going to put the right type of B12, or we're going to put a dose that's ineffective. So this supplement has all the ingredients that have been used in research, and the ingredients are at the proper dose. So you know when you're taking this, you're taking the ingredients at the right dose to stimulate effect. And unfortunately, companies, there's lots of ingredients out there. So like B12, for example, methylcobalamin is the more expensive but effective ingredient. Cyanocobalamin is cheap. A lot of companies use the cheaper product. They say they have B12, but it's not really effective. And there's about 3 or 4 other ingredients that are very similar, where companies, if they're just out to make money, they will put a lesser quality ingredient to try and, just to get the consumer to purchase it. Yeah.
And from taking these supplements, what conditions can these help improve?
It was originally started for nerve problems like numbness, tingling, nerve pain. But because it acts on a portion of the cell called the mitochondria, which is critical, and it loses its function with aging, if you restore the mitochondrial function, we found that joint pain improves, cognition, energy. Like I use it personally every day just before I work out or go play golf to have that mental awareness and energy. But a lot of patients just find an overall sense of well-being in addition to specific issues like joint or nerve pain.
And other than decreasing nerve tissue, what other benefits?
It's really can be used as a strong anti-aging regimen because it acts on a portion of the cell that is affected with aging. So even if you're not having any nerve pain, a lot of us wouldn't mind mental clarity or energy. Those are all things that everybody could benefit from. And it's also just a very strong anti-aging product to slow or decrease the effects of the aging process.
And you have a special offer.
We certainly do. It's 20% off, and if you put that code in the checkout, you get 20% off your purchase.
Thank you so much, Dr. Fitzmaurice. If you would like more information about Fitzmaurice Hand Institute, visit them online at nerveexpert.com or call the number on your screen.